Hello, today we will be discussing this standard, which says that coach teachers in and model design and implementation of technology enhanced learning experiences, emphasizing creativity, higher order thinking skills and processes, and mental habits of mind. Okay, and for this assignment, I will be showing you an analysis of different technology applications that could be used for students with exceptionalities. Here I've gone and I've created an evaluation of different apps to help with students that have disabilities. The format is very simple where I put the application name, a brief description about the application, as well as a rubric or a scale, if you will, to let you know about the basic categories of the product in general, what all you can do, the relevance of it. Is it appropriate or not appropriate for the student age? The instructions, are they clear? This gives you opportunity to give feedback when students get the incorrect answer, as well as engagement. Will they really be into this application? So the first one was MobiMax, and it continues on with a few more categories: customization, learning environment, support, content, and the process, because all of these things must be taken into consideration when we are attempting to engage and educate our students, and especially a little more fine tuning when we are dealing with students that have disabilities. Um, there are a total about I think I completed 10 evaluations. Here's Nearpod, and it's published so other educators like myself, when they're trying to incorporate technology or trying to implement certain 508 criteria within the classroom, they can go in and look at different things that can be used. For instance, the awareness headphone app helps with those who are visually impaired because they can't see as well. Their hearing may be more keen, and this app would definitely help. See, class kick, and there are a few in the entire presentation will be placed into the live text portfolio. And I really encourage educators who are teaching students with disabilities to check this out to incorporate more technology.